first time here, you're very much welcome. For my returning subscribers, you're welcome. You're very much welcome. It's been a minute. So, without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into today's video. And this is the hairstyle that we'll be doing. We'll be doing the slick low bun. Yes, so it actually takes me less than 15 minutes to do this hairstyle. So in case you're interested in seeing how I do this, please keep watching. And in case you're not yet subscribed, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to also hit the notification bell so that you're notified each and every time that I make a new post, so that you're not left behind. So please keep watching and don't forget to like this video, comment, and also share. So enjoy. So this is what we're working with. My hair wasn't really freshly washed at this point. I had a hairstyle in for about a week, but we have to work with what we have. So I'm just going to make the side part and make sure that it is as clean as I can make it. So this is according to your preference. If you are going for a middle part, you do that, but for this video we were doing a side part, so that's what I did. I'm just going to put that section away, and also the other section I'm just going to put it in a bun so that it can be easy to work with. I have thick hair, so I cannot work with my hair at once. I have to section it. For the back part, I'm just going to spray some water on it and make sure that it is thoroughly moisturized and damp so that I can easily manipulate it. I'll be doing a lot of brushing, so I don't want my hair to break. That's the reason why I sprayed water on it. So I'm just going to go in with that brush and tie my hair in a low bun. And for this part, I did not add any gel. For the back part, I did not add any gel. So yeah, I'll be using Soft and Free styling gel. And that's for the other sides. I'm just going to apply it on smaller sections so that it can be easy to slick my hair down. So I'll be applying the gel on smaller sections. And once I'm done doing that, I'm just going to brush it or down into the back section, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's what I meant. I'm just going to get the brush and brush my hair down and make sure that it is as sleek as it can be, then I'll tie it together with the hair at the back. I'll go in with that other softer brush and make sure that everything is nice and smooth, and then I'll take down my ponytail holder and then tie everything together. What I've learned while doing these styles is that there isn't really the perfect method. I just mostly go by what I'm seeing and feeling. So if it means me brushing my hair 100 times, I will do that to make sure that I get the results that I'm looking for. And then I'll go on to the other section and do the same thing that I did for the other side. I'll apply gel on smaller sections and brush it down as I do that. And since this bigger section is where I want that kind of a swoop thing, I will keep applying the gel and then I will mold the hair into the structure I want it to be. So as I apply the gel, you can see I'm not really applying the gel backwards. I'm applying the gel towards my face because that's where I want that swoop kind of effect to be. So yeah, that's what I mean. So even as I brush down my hair, I'm not really brushing it straight back, I'm brushing it towards my face. Like you can see, I am brushing my hair towards my face, then I'm making that kind of a C effect as I take my hair at the back. So once I'm done doing that, I'm just also going to tie that hair together with everything at the back. So take your time. This actually took me a while. Took me like almost about 5 minutes to achieve. So just take your time. Don't be in a rush. Take as much time as you need to come up with the kind of swoop that you want. So even after tying everything down, I kept on brushing my hair just to make sure that it was in a way that I wanted it to be. Next, I'm going in with the style. I don't know what's the name. Anyway, I'll put it in the description box. Sorry, I'll put it in the description box. But that's a moulding gel. I don't really know the brand, I've forgotten, but it's a moulding gel. It's mostly used for dreadlocks, but I love to use it on my hair when I'm doing a sleek style because it lays everything flat. So that's what I went in with. On top of the gel I had applied, I just added that moulding gel, and like you can see, my hair was sleek. So I'll just keep brushing with a softer brush to make sure that everything is good. I also went in with some more moulding gel on the other section to do my edges. So I'm just going to brush that down before I can start to do my edges. And so far, this moulding gel doesn't flake. That's one thing I've loved about it. It doesn't flake, and it also leaves my hair really moisturized. It doesn't dry my hair, and it hasn't given me any problem. Besides it being a moulding gel and being used for dreads, I've actually loved how it works on my natural hair. So that's just me doing my edges. So you can do your edges in whichever way you like, but as for me in this video, that's how I wanted my edges to look. So yeah, everything is looking nice. I'm just going to tie everything down with my satin scarf to make sure that everything is laid. So once that is done, we're just going to wait for about 10 minutes or so that everything can be as flat as possible. Next, that hair in a bun behind, we cannot leave that hair like that because I regard my low buns as a protective style, so I don't like leaving my ends out. I always want them to be tucked in. So I'm just going to add that hair donut to my hair at the back, and then I'm just going to tuck them away into that bun to make sure that everything is nice and protected. Okay, so once that hair is dealt with, I think it's now time to take out these satin scarves. So here's a big review. Ta-ta! Yeah, we had to say a prayer, but everything was laid. Yes, everything. Who said 4C hair cannot lay flat? Who said 4C hair can be this sleek without it being blow dried? I really enjoyed wearing this hairstyle. Trust me, it lasted me for a whole week. Even after a week, my hair was really laid. I just had to take the bun down because it was time to wash my hair, but this lasted me for a week. My hair was in place, no flyaways and no headache. Everything was nice and smooth, sis. So in case you loved this video, please do give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, comment, share this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.